This is Elena from the onboarding team at ServiceMonster. Today we're going to go over a new feature within ServiceMonster called Arrival Windows. Arrival Windows are a schedule settings feature that allows you to create a time range for the expected arrival of your technicians rather than an exact time. This feature can give users more flexibility when scheduling to account for various delays throughout the day, such as add-ons, upsells, traffic, etc. All right, let's hop on into the software now and take a closer look. All right, so first of all, where do we find our arrival windows? Arrival windows can be found under the Schedule tab within Scheduling in the main menu. From your schedule, open up the schedule settings by clicking on the Settings button in the upper right. From the Schedule Settings window, click on the Arrival Windows tab. This opens up your arrival windows. Now, to use the arrival windows feature, first check the box at the top to enable arrival windows, and then select your arrival window type from the drop-down menu. There are two types of arrival windows you can select from the drop-down menu. One is called Offset from Appointment Start Time, and the other is called Fixed Time Windows. Both of these are global schedule settings you can use to set up defaults for your company. So to use the Offset from Appointment Start Time window type, please select how much time, listed in half-hour increments, you wish to have before and after the appointment start time. The example shown at the bottom of the window will update in real time to provide further context so you know exactly what the arrival window will be shown as. Now, fixed time windows allow you to create fixed windows across all scheduled appointments. Any appointments created within that fixed window will show the same arrival window. To use the fixed time windows, select this option in the default arrival window type drop-down menu, and then create your windows with a start and end time. To add a new arrival window, simply click the blue plus arrival window button, and to delete, simply click the little garbage can beside the arrival window you wish to delete. You can create up to 6 different fixed arrival windows. Please note that your fixed time windows cannot overlap. If you do have an overlap, you will notice that you cannot save your changes. Also, if you happen to have an appointment start time that does not fall within any of the fixed time windows, the appointment will just showcase the standard start time of that appointment as an arrival time. And then please click Save when you're finished. After setting up these global defaults for your arrival windows, you can further customize them on a per route basis if desired. This can be particularly useful if you have heavily diversified services split between different routes. To do so, simply select a particular route on the schedule to open the Edit Route window, and then click the Arrival Windows tab. Toggle the Use Custom Arrival Windows for this route setting to override the default settings, and then update the custom arrival windows as needed. You can also use this option to disable arrival windows for a particular route by selecting the Do Not Use Arrival Window option in the Arrival Window Type dropdown. And then please click Save when you are finished. Okay, now let's review where the arrival window will show. You will be able to see the arrival window in 4 places. One is right here on the schedule when you hover over the appointment. You'll see this pop up and it says right here, Arrival Window. Another is here in the sidebar when you have the appointment selected. You can see that it says Arrival Window right here. Here again, if you select the appointment from the sidebar to open up the item details, you can see that it also says it here at the top of the window. And finally, it will also appear in your route packet. So if we enter the route packet, and then select the document here. You can see that you have this PDF. And right here you can see it also says arrival window. All right, now let's talk about arrival window communication to your clients. So most importantly, communicating the arrival windows for scheduled work to your clients is simple to do. Both email and SMS templates have a new merge field in the drop-down list called Appointment Arrival Window that you can add to any template for a specific one-time message. So here's an example of sending an email. Select the email button within the appointment details window. And you can see the email button right here. Then go ahead and select a template to use by clicking on Load Template. And once you've selected one of those, here in the email, you can see our new merge field called Appointment Arrival Window. So finally, if you want to double check and get a preview, you can go ahead and see in the preview window for this email how it will appear. And you can see it says here, Arrival Window. So if the email preview looks good, then simply exit the preview and hit send. Otherwise, continue the process of making edits until you are satisfied with the results. All right, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly support team if you have any further questions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.